go, Gabe! Alright, which one do we shoot? Only one way to find out. How do you spell bananas? B-A-N-A-N-A-S!
Paranoid don't like criminals. It is serious going to fire YouTube channels according to copyright law. It can result in a big fine or even jail time. If you can see the screen, it means you're part of my channel again. Paraplay still doesn't want to play with you. Close this app and turn off the device now. Wait. I've seen you before. You seem familiar. Is this your first time here? You don't remember? St. Carter! Paraplay won't stand for I don't remember. Oh, really? I bet you won't mind me checking your YouTube status. You liar! You've been here over 3 times now. Don't bother trying to leave the YouTube app. It's too late to turn back now. Police have been contacted. They'll be arriving at your house in 12 minutes. This will be the last screen you see until your channel gets deleted. Get lost, pirates! YouTube has no place for criminals. This message has been recorded at @1613 and she is banning her channel. And this time, there will be no second chance. Have fun in jail for 20+ years and goodbye forever! You're still here?